and welcome back to TJ's Tech Corner. In today's video, I will show you some Windows 10 keyboard shortcuts. Before we start, I would like to say two things. The first thing is that thank you everyone who voted in the last video. Let's see the results. Drum roll, please. Thank you, Julie Garton, for your vote. It reads, I like either computer. Whichever one you like is best. The second thing I would like to mention is, if you haven't already, watch my last video named Surprise Video. That will appear in the top right corner right now. Alright, let's jump right in. All these keyboard shortcuts will only work in Windows XP, Vista, 7, 8, and 10. If you just press the Windows key, it opens the Start menu, so you can open programs on your PC. If you press Windows key and E, it will open the File Explorer, so you can browse the pictures, videos, downloads, music, and documents stored on your PC. If you press Windows key and D, this will show the desktop. To go back to what you were doing, press the Windows key and D again. Now, all the keyboard shortcuts left in this video will only work in Windows 8 and Windows 10. However, some of the keyboard shortcuts may be different in Windows 8. Just to let you know, I'm running Windows 10. If you press the Windows key and I, it opens Settings. If you press the Windows key and comma, you have to hold it down for it to work. You can peek at the desktop. To stop peeking at the desktop, just let go of that key combination. If you press Windows key and PRTSC on some keyboards, or on your keyboard it might be PRTSCN, you'll take a screenshot. To view it, go to Pictures, in the File Explorer, then Screenshots. Screenshots are pictures of your screen that show what you were doing when you took them. So for example, you can send a screenshot to your friend in an email instead of taking a picture with your phone camera. The last one is if you press Windows key and A, you'll open the Action Center. From here, you can see your notifications and you can change your quick settings like brightness, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and you can quickly go to all your settings. That's it for today. Please comment if you have any questions. Also hit like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. See you in 2020 on Monday on TJ's Tech Corner. Happy New Year! Oh, and by the way, I meant 2021, not 2020. Okay, for real this time. Happy New Year!